Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and ever since I moved to Slovenia and to my new place, I haven't been really up to date with the EDC updates. But right now, things are getting better a little bit. I got my own place now, and I fully adopted the fanny pack. The power of the fanny pack. I got this last summer as a fun. I just wanted to try it out because when you wear shorts and you don't have a lot of pockets for your gear. And now in Slovenia, my life has changed dramatically upside down, my lifestyle. So basically, I get up, go to work, and sleep, work. Especially last week, I worked a lot and the long hours, and so occasionally I will go out. I will go to the city, but I moved to the mountains now. Occasionally I will go to the city, drink a coffee, have a chat with some buddies, my new buddies from Slovenia, and I've been on a constant lookout for a vehicle. I need a little beater car that can drive me back to work and home and whatnot, but let's skip the rant for now. Sorry, I always tend to rant. So, fanny pack, yeah, I wear this around my waist. I thought it would be cool to wear it across your side. Sometimes I will do it, but the most practical thing is to wear it around your waist and look like a Joe Schmo. But fanny packs are kinda cool now, so it doesn't matter. It takes a lot of confidence to rock one, and I learned as I grow old, I have what it takes to rock a fanny pack. So this is my stuff in Slovenia. This is my knife. I usually let it dry at the bottom of the fanny pack, but sometimes it gets up. It's my Spyderco Persistence, if I'm not mistaken. I put out good use to it. When I first actually arrived here, no one really had a knife, and no one had really means to cut food or stuff to open a can or whatnot. And I have a knife. I use it as a utility tool and as emergency backup to, you never know, you can cut open a seat belt, and in case of emergencies, always have a knife. You are watching EDC video, I guess. You don't need me to explain it to you why you should have a knife. As you can see, I put a lot of use to it. Still pretty sharp. I need to strap it a little bit, but it serves a good purpose. And this is my only EDC blade, proper blade in Slovenia. I'm just gonna leave it here. I have a backup phone. This is my, I don't know, I found this somewhere in my dad's house when my dad passed away, and I used it. I put this in my fanny pack. It's off, it's not on, but I do have a SIM card, and in case of emergency I have a battery fresh, so you never know. I do a lot of highways, interstate, not interstate like in US, but between country borders, foreign country borders. I travel when I go travel back home. And I have my big wallet. I might switch up to those card holders, and because they're very handy, especially in the summer. But since I have a fanny pack, I have a big fat wallet, lots of coins and other goodies in there. Some useful stuff on the prepping side, which I don't want to reveal, but some band-aids and stuff like that. Next thing, I have my Wise, because no one's perfect. This is an ICOS, and this used to be brand new, and now I guess you guys can call it. It has a lots of character, and because when I like to light one up, and this is like alternative to cigarettes, and occasionally, but I do have this. I take this to work with me, and I do with lots of nails and stuff like that, and I have keys in my pockets, and as you can see, the nature the nature of my work is no longer fancy, so no longer I wear fancy watches and fancy stuff to work. But it's still nice and usable. IQOS. Check it out, guys. If you wanna quit smoking or you don't wanna smell as bad, just check out IQOS. I can definitely recommend it. You know me, I will not recommend stuff that I don't use and I haven't used and I do not believe in. So yeah, IQOS. And just one more second, I just remember I left my watch here. Yeah, speaking of watches, because I'm a wristwatch guy and my channel is about watches and sometimes EDC, but I do enjoy good EDC. This is my summer combo. This is a Citizen Pro Master dive watch. 200 meter water resistant mineral crystal automatic movement lefty. You can find the tons of reviews on this one. I actually did a couple of reviews as well on this watch. I wear it now on a summer fun bull shark NATO. It's very good quality utility NATO. Not the most expensive, but not the cheapest one. Just the right amount of quality and the price that corresponds to it. So yeah, this is my exclusive watch in Slovenia for the past month, even more, and I love it. It's a great beater. I wear this to work and whatnot. I stopped actually working with this watch because sweat and dirt and grime, it stinks up the NATO band. So I had a rubber band, but I switched it up because rubber band is boring, it's black. And yeah, now I have a bull shark orange NATO and it just pops on your wrist. I can just show you. Look at this, guys. I might do a separate video on this NATO. So stick around. So what else? I found this super handy. This is like a little bag that you can unlock. Actually, my wife gifted it to me because buying bags, groceries bags in Slovenia, I had a full closet of bags and they're not actually cheap. So I had like, I don't know. But my wife gave me this and this is a full on grocery bag and that I actually find quite handy. And you know, it protect the nature. And paper bags, I hate paper bags, they always fall apart on me. And yeah, I have this one. It's in my cargo jeans pocket and whatnot, and I don't know where I got this, but my wife gave it to me. And I find it very useful actually. So what's next? I had a chapstick. This is a European version of chapstick. It's called a Bello, and it's for chapped lips because I had a period at my work a couple of months ago where I had really chapped lips and I was dehydrated. Actually, I was sick and I had lots of things, so this saved my life. I used it all the time. I have some pens, which I don't use. I actually use the pens at my job, even though it's a manual work, but I have a Sharpie. This is European version of Sharpie, but it's a permanent marker. I'm just making it more simple for you guys. For my light, I still have the Phoenix E12. Great guy. I actually use it in the evenings where I park my car. There's a little alley away from work because there's main parking at the job and all the big shots come there earlier and they park their cars. And I don't know how, but I had to go to the side parking, and in the evening it's pitch black and I use this a lot. So I use it daily. It's on double A's. And now I have my pocket-friendly blade, which has, this is a Victorinox, of course, Swiss Army knife, and it has a can opener, which I actually used a couple of times because I like to cook, but not for myself. And when I cook, I like to cook for my family, for my loved ones, for my boy, for my wife. But when it comes, if I need to cook something for myself, I would rather just eat, I don't know, something from a can and get over with and go on with my life. So I like food, good stuff, but I'm a bit too lazy to cook for myself. Next thing I have there is another pan. Oh, someone's always asking me for a pan, and I just remembered I gifted someone. Someone asked for a pen and they never returned it, so I usually give these. Leatherman's Court. People who have never seen this multi-tool type of stuff. I have a full-size multi-tool in my car as well, but they find it fascinating and they love it. Everyone loves this. What else do I have in my fanny pack? I have a candy. Yeah, this is like a breath mint, but Serbian version. It's called Negro, like Negro. It's not Negro, but it's Negro. It's for your throat. It's really delicious. I have a little cricket lighter, just as a wave, so it's very tiny, and I like to have a lighter on me, and I don't use it never, but I like having it. And last time I went home, I just grabbed a bunch of these toothpicks and Samurai, and they're actually Italian, but I don't know, my wife buys this stuff, so I just grabbed a bunch of these and throw it in my fanny pack because when I moved here, I never had a toothpicks. It's all those little things when you move somewhere and you never notice you have it until you don't have it. This is cleaning to clean my pistol, item to clean this ICOS because eventually it gets dirty, so you just clean it up. Have some money. This is 50 cents. Yeah, shout out to 50 cents, European 50 cents. And yeah, if you wanted to see how this looks like, well, there it is. Bubble gums, Airways. Yeah, here inside I have, what's with my autofocus? Sorry guys, I haven't recorded a video in a while, and I brought my laptop last week, so I figured why not. I have another pocket here. I have here my passport and my car, what do you call it, pink slip, the owner's certificate, because I'm in a foreign country, and this is how my passport looks like. In case you don't know, I'm from Bosnia and Herzegovina, and here's your proof. Yeah, I carry passport everywhere with me because sometimes police can ask for it, and if you don't have to provide it, I'm in a foreign country, I have that work permit visa, but sometimes they can be nasty and ask for a passport as well. So yeah, so that's it inside pockets. And I keep getting phone calls. I'm doing this on my phone, and yeah. And I have here, what do I have here? I have some anti-COVID mask still. I swear in every pocket I have a spare mask. I don't use it anymore, but I have it. Some papers here, some paperwork, my car keys, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just give you one bird shot. Everything, let's make a thumbnail photo of this. I like a good EDC thumbnail photo. I don't know about you guys, but I really do enjoy booking this. That's how I discovered the EDC in the first place. I was browsing for some photos of some watch, and at one photo I just saw that watch, and I saw a bunch of cool stuff on the table laid out next to it, and I said, this is so cool, I need to see what's this. And that's how I got into EDC community, into everyday carry website, and all that good stuff. So it's an art to make a good EDC photo, but I did post some good photos during my YouTube careers, but I don't think this is the one. So thank you guys. I'm still gonna use it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and I see you in the next video. Hopefully I will be having much more time to shoot some more content. So stick around with me, and for all of you who have stuck with me all these years, I want to just say thank you and appreciate you guys a lot. Sometimes when it's hardest, you are there to cheer me up, and it means the world to me.